welcome to or welcome back to the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping bot. In this channel, I discuss the progress about a bot, a Python program that is made to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq and generate some passive income while we're sleeping. And in a daily report, almost daily report, I tell you guys how this is going. And today is none other day, it's Friday, so we are at the end of the week, and at the end of the week we're gonna see how the results were for the entire week. So if you want to know how we did it, stick around. Well, before we go to the code, because usually we're starting with, I go to the code and show you the changes, I first want to go back to the episode of yesterday. And let me fetch this capturing. There it is. Listen. And if we look at the market, you see this large red candle in 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. Let's take the 5 minutes. It's more fair. Let's go back to that moment. That's around here. You see that large candle had a lot of numbers going down, and then we went up, and the bot did not pick it up because the market was slow. And we see in the results of the numbers that we had very high, above 100 numbers, one after the other, 100 numbers, 172, 163, 188, I see right here. And yesterday we had slow numbers like 41, 31, 35, 25. So we're still testing, and we are in the testing environment. Let's see, we got 248 points difference. That's a large number. And it had almost. So I'm gonna change. I'm gonna kill the bot. I'm late. So I did kill the bot. And I changed the code. And let's grab the code. We're gonna grab the code. There it is. And what did I change in the code? I did change in the code exactly what I was planning to do. I was thinking about what should I do in the code. I'm gonna, because I hear myself talking already this way, I was thinking about, well, in the contracts we had a slow market, normal market, and a highly volatile market based on the average percentage change. And that didn't work. We saw it yesterday, and we saw higher numbers. So I think, okay, we're going to change the slow market into, if the loss net to change is smaller than 150, then we have a slow market. And if it's higher than 150 and lower than 600, 300 I had, then it's normal market, and higher as 300, we are highly volatile. Well, if I go back for a moment, I'm gonna do it tomorrow again. So I removed already the high volatile, and now we only have a slow market when the net to change is lower than 150, and when it's higher as 150, we have a normal market, and the trades can go on. So I did. And oh, am I an idiot. And oh, am I an idiot. But I didn't know that I was an idiot until half an hour ago. And I will show you why I am an idiot. And that's because of the numbers down here. These numbers are, if you're looking up, they are in the 500s, 521, 526, so high numbers. But what I didn't see yesterday, but I did see today, and this is after I had reset the bot again to remove the high volatile portion. Yesterday, I didn't see it. Today I did. 506, 502, 52, 57, 516, 530, 59. It goes up slowly, it goes up and then a bit down, and then most of the time the counter goes up. Yesterday it went up and down, the numbers, and in the hundreds, not in the 500s. So let me show you why I am an idiot. And I'm gonna bring in the market today. And I leave the numbers visible. Yes, they are visible. If we look at the market today, then we see that the market, now let's take the market of yesterday. It's the 5 minutes. Let's take the 1 hour. 1 hour. If we look at the market of yesterday, we had this large candle down, and then it went up, and then cabbled on at 2, and then today it went down. This is the total change. Watch my word. The total change of that day. I realize now I didn't, because today, you see, we started rather high at 21,000, give or take 150. And we ended today at 21,581. Am I correct? Is this almost 100? What I say? 22,150. And this is 585. Yeah. The difference today, and if I'm going to take the 1 day, then the 1 day difference will be around 500 points. And as you see, the candle, I can't move the mouse so you can see. I can zoom in a bit. If you look, you can see that if I take this candle for today, you see that in the top, there's a minus of 503 points for this candle only for today. And that's when the light bulb went on. This number is the number of the total netto change since start of the day. And it is not the netto change of the candle. Yeah. Nice going. Very nice going. Which means that the changes I made yesterday, deleting the netto percentage change out, deleting the netto percentage change out of the program, out of the strategy, as in detecting slow market or active market, has to come back, because it's the only number I can work with. I don't have any other numbers brought by me by the API to detect if I have a slow market or an active market. And that's what I'm going to do tomorrow, of course. Because, yeah, it's rather frustrating for me that I need information. I need to feed the bot information about numbers he can use, and not only the bot, if I want to implement the AI, because it's still on the roll to implement AI who can do and check the trades before the trades are really done, are actually going to make the trades, then I need information that I can rely on that is the right one. And if the API, and if we can take a look at the code, and then I'm going to remove the market into the fetch data, what I get from the API is the opening price, the closing price, the high and the low, but we already know this is the high of that 1 hour, so it's not the high of that candle. That's why we changed from high to looking for something else. Same as for low, it's the low for that hour. It's only changed once an hour, so I cannot use those two to determine if we have an active market or not an active market. Then we have to net change and the percentage change, and then we get, this on the update time, etc. That's not what I get. So bid and close I cannot use. High and low I cannot use. Netto change is the netto change for an entire day. Not even an hour. High and low is for an hour. Netto change for an entire day. So all I can do and have is a percentage change. And I fear, and I have to re-examine the video of yesterday, I fear that even that I cannot use because of that the values are for 1 day. If 1 day there's a percentage change of 1% or 0.5%, then we will do. Oh, I can look it up for yesterday because we have the market of yesterday. So let's grab the market of yesterday. Yesterday we had a percentage, maximum percentage change of 0.22%. That's what we had yesterday. Today we had a percentage change of 2.28. That's nice. You see, we had a nice drop. But I'm stuck again with the same problem we had a couple of weeks ago when we had a slow market. That's why I'm waiting on an active market. Now I can find out these kind of numbers. That I have no tool to determine if a market is slow or active, because the API does not give me the right information to detect if the market is slow or active or highly volatile. And I won't even go to the last one. That's the part that I'm idiot about, but that's also the part that I think, what gonna do? What? Sorry guys. That I think, what am I going to do? And that's something I have to think about tomorrow. Yeah, in the meantime, we're gonna look at the bot. Let's bring in the bot. The bot, please. Yes. And the bot has a red candle. The bot has a red color. It has done something. It has done 71 candles because I restarted it at 7:45 this evening after I saw that it did highly volatile opening positions that weren't good, and it even opened twice at the same time, etc. So I deleted the entire highly volatile and part of the code, and I won't bring it back. I just want to see slow market and normal market, although I don't know how we're going to do this. So I deleted those, and we had in those few moments we had a negative €1.09. And if we go to the market and we look at the reports, we see that we had with the normal markets, we had some nice 425, then some bad ones, 12, 11, and 13, another positive one of 25, and then we came in with, you can see those two, 1936 and 1936, those were closed at the same time, already also opened at the same time. And then another one for minus 325, and another one closed at 10 for minus €1.09. And that's on a active market. Yeah, those were good. These last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, these last 1, 2, 3, 4, based on the highly volatile market, those were bad. And yeah, it's Saturday tomorrow and Sunday. I have a weekend. I have to review the entire code and look for a solution. And if you have one, bring one to me. I have to find a solution to find out, do we have a slow market or a normal market? And if I cannot find that one, then I have to fall back to the original that I already have, is the 3 candles. Well, 3, the 2 in the part is like the 3 candles I already used, the 3 candles plus a MACD. This, what you're looking at, is the original strategy. 3 candles open with a higher or lower number going up, with 3 candles going down or going up, and the MACD and the signal line in the right direction with a current histogram. Difference between the MACD and the signal should be enough to trigger a buy or sell. Although, while testing this last year, it sounds a couple of months ago, we determined that if the market is not active enough, then you will open positions with a guarantee of a loss and not with a probability of a profit. That's for me this weekend to find out for you all. Too soon. Yeah, too soon. Let's take a look at what did we do. We started today, this week. Is this entire week? Yeah, well, it's the only day that we actually had. The entire week was slow. We started this week with 611, and we ended this week with 598. So we lost 611, 13. 13 euros we lost, and those were somewhere around here. And we would have made a profit if there were something like this. But would have, could have, should have, would have, etc. It doesn't work. These are the numbers we're looking at. And this is how we're going to enter the weekend. And talking about enter the weekend, I wish you all a very nice weekend. And like, subscribe, leave a comment, and have a little fun every day. See you guys next week.